there, more than welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today's video tutorial is actually a request from one of our lovely followers called Ruth. She messaged asking if I could do a video tutorial of mattress stitch, but when the purl side of the fabric is the right side. So my previous video, which I will link below, that was mattress stitch when the knit side is facing outwards, and that's the correct side. But today our correct side is going to be the purl side. I'm going to show you how to do this because we've got a nice almost invisible join and I'm using bright yellow thread. So let's have a go. I've started off with a figure of 8 stitch, which just anchors the fabric in place and keeps those ends of fabric nice and straight together. If you want to learn how to do this, I did cover it in the previous mattress stitch video for working on the right side or the V stitches, so I'll link it below if you want to learn that figure of 8 again. Okay, first things first, we're going to go to the opposite side from where our yarn's coming through, and then we're going to go front to back of the fabric, and I'm also going to pick up a couple of those loops from the purl side. Can you see all these lines across? So I'll pick up a couple of those purl bumps and do the same on the other side. So front to back, but then I'm actually picking up between those purl bumps. Once you've got the rhythm of it on the right side, honestly, it's not too much different on the purl side. I'll finish this up, but if we give it a little tug, then the stitch becomes invisible. Your first stitch you'll always see because that's the figure of 8 anchor. But there we go, it becomes invisible. So I'm going to carry on with this now, and you're welcome to watch what I'm doing. Do please give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe and all that good stuff so we can continue to take more requests and make more videos. And let us know in the comments as well if you have any tutorial requests. Thank you and take care.